I say a lot of times that I don't live like you, that we do things differently, and it's really the case. I'm in the woods, as you guys can tell, but I need to make some bread. So here we go. Hi, I'm Sean. I'm a wandering vagabond, and I'm gonna get baked in my Prius today. We're all gonna get baked in my Prius today.
Nice.
Yeah, truth be told, before I lived out here in the woods of the Northwest, I lived in Virginia, and I was a sous chef for many years. We made everything natural, local, fresh, every day, and that included breads. So show you guys how I make food. From the yeast to the warm water, a little bit of sugar that's in there. Mix that all in, get that all going. Add a little bit of olive oil. That'll be enough. Yeah, like I said, I used to do this a lot. And I'm going off of memory from like years ago. Yep, didn't buy bread flour either. But it's quite alright. Alright, honestly, this is the fun part for me. Because we got that. We're in a Prius. Like I said, it's been a while. We're getting there. You wouldn't believe me if I told you. Alright. Looks good to me. It's kind of hard with one hand. Alright, we'll set that right there. We'll set a towel on top of it and check on it in an hour. It's 52 degrees outside. To let my bread rise, it's just sitting in my back window. Yeah, no joke, guys. I'm giving you a straight glimpse into my life today. Alright, so it's been an hour. Let's check this guy out. No, it's definitely risen up. Alright. I need both hands. Just because I can eat both hands doesn't mean that you guys get to miss out. So I definitely got my dough ball. I have no way to knead this other than in my hands and with the bowl. So mash it around a couple times. Let it sit just a little bit longer. Alright, so been a little while. Dough rose again. I'm gonna take this guy out. Got all those little scrapples in there. I got a pre-buttered pan. I'm going to take the dough, stretched out a little bit. Yeah, so it's the length of the pan. We're going to roll it up. Roll my dough up into a bowl. Put it in the pan. And I'll let that sit for a little while. Cover it up. Oh, been about an hour. Let's check. Oh yeah, getting bigger. Put this back up. Well, my car somewhat has a problem with it, but it's not complaining. There's still a little bit of sunlight left. We're almost getting pretty nice. While the bread is baking, this is what I get to see. Beautiful clouds in the sunset. Pretty cool. There's a moon over there somewhere. There it is. Oh man. I got bread baking in my car. Time for the 20-minute check-in. Oh man, is that starting to look like a really nice loaf of bread. That's totally cool. I think it might be done. Sounds like it might be done. Wow. I actually succeeded. I made bread in the Prius in the woods. Wow. Well, guys, I mean, I'm surprised, but at the same time, I have an oven, I have power, I know how to make bread. But wow, totally cool. I think maybe it deserves a like and possibly a subscribe. Like, maybe, I don't know. All right, guys. Bye. Yep. In true fashion, GoPro just sits there trying to process what it just saw. I really hope it gets that footage. Not too shabby. Can I show you the way? I couldn't wait, I had to cut into it. I made cookies without using my car. I don't even know what to say. Yeah. Morning. Well, guys, if you made it this far through the video, I totally appreciate you, and I thank you. I For real, you just watch the whole video. Yeah, this is going to be my standard end screen for a little bit. Like buttons, ding bells, subscribe hits. Yeah, because I know you probably aren't subscribed to me. So, yeah, hit the button, see what else I get up to. Yeah, all right, guys. Till the next time. I don't know. Maybe that one's me and that one's what YouTube thinks you should see. Bye.